We all want to eat a little bit healthier and avoid highly processed foods. So the next time, instead of reaching for your favorite store-bought salad dressing or vinaigrette, which by the way is loaded with calories, sugar, sodium, do you really need those? Nope. You can create your own vinaigrette at home. Vinaigrettes come together in minutes. They're easy to make. You can store them in the refrigerator for about a week. So let's go through a couple things you need to make your vinaigrette. And they basically are a good quality oil and either a vinegar or citrus. And then all the other things that come together with it, whatever you choose. So let's start with one, and I'll show you step by step. So we're going to start with a French vinaigrette. I've chopped a half a shallot. These are pretty big, so I've used half. Finely diced with 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar and just a little pinch of either kosher or sea salt. And let the flavors come together for about 10 minutes and let the shallot soften, and we'll come back and then add the remaining ingredients. So after about 10 or 15 minutes, you can see that the onions or the shallots have softened a little bit, and we will add 1 teaspoon of mustard. Take a whisk. Whisk the mustard in. At this point, you'll want to whisk in 6 tablespoons of your oil and just slowly drizzle it in. The point of this is to emulsify the dressing, and you see it comes together. That's fantastic. You can finish it with a little more salt, some chopped herbs. The second vinaigrette we're making today is a citrus vinaigrette, and what it is 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, a generous squeeze of fresh lemon, and if you squeeze through your hands like this with the lemon, you can catch the seeds. They won't go in. You don't need a strainer. A nice generous squeeze of fresh orange or tangerine. And lastly, nice squeeze of fresh lime. A pinch of sea salt or kosher salt. And whisk just to combine. Then we're going to add 6 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Just drizzle it in slowly. You want to whisk to emulsify. This is my favorite salad dressing for everyday use. We use it for lunch, for salad, straight with sliced avocado, cucumber, tomato. And you'll notice I don't add a lot of pepper to the vinaigrettes. I like to toss the salad with the vinaigrette and maybe do some grind of fresh pepper on top. Here's your dressing. You can also, and I do like this from time to time, is just a little splash of mustard. And you can see these vinaigrettes, they're simple to make. Really, it takes just a few minutes. And you can make enough and keep it in the refrigerator for a week. The third vinaigrette we're making today is a balsamic vinaigrette. 2 tablespoons balsamic vinegar. Again, a little squeeze of fresh lemon. And this is about a tablespoon's worth. A pinch of salt combined. And then again, slowly drizzle in your oil, whisking to emulsify. This is 6 tablespoons of olive oil. This vinaigrette is really nice for radicchio and goat cheese, grilled asparagus. And see how it comes together? Maybe another little pinch of salt. The fourth vinaigrette we're making today is strawberry vinaigrette, and I made a strawberry vinegar. What this is I took a half a pound of strawberries, washed and mashed them, and added 1 cup of white wine vinegar and let it sit for at least an hour. Then you strain it and you get this gorgeous vinegar, strawberry flavored vinegar, and we're going to use that as a basis for this vinaigrette. So 2 tablespoons strawberry vinegar, a squeeze of lime, just a little bit of honey, touch of salt. We'll mix these to combine and drizzle in 6 tablespoons of oil. Now this vinaigrette is great. A lot of people like spinach and strawberries. I actually like mixed greens, maybe some dib and some green leaf with fresh strawberries, goat cheese or feta, maybe some candied pecans. And there you go. Pretty color. 4 vinaigrettes. They all came together real quickly. French vinaigrette, citrus vinaigrette, balsamic, and the strawberry vinaigrette. So we're going to make a quick salad, and I just want to explain a couple things. Your vinaigrette will separate. It is oil and vinegar. So before using, either shake if it's in a jar, or put back into a bowl and whisk real quickly just to emulsify. When you're using lettuce, wash it and dry it. Either use a salad spinner or paper towels, but make sure you dry the leaves so that they stay nice and crisp and the vinaigrette clings to the lettuce and doesn't just run off. So let's make a salad. I have Bibb lettuce and some green leaf, fresh strawberries, some fresh mint, toasted pecans, crumbled goat cheese, and avocado. An easy way to do avocado is take the half, slice it into any size you want, and take your knife and scoop it out. With the vinaigrette, you can see it separated. Shake it up. I'm actually going to pour a little bit into a bowl and whisk just to make sure it's emulsified. So quickly emulsify your dressing and drizzle over the salad. Toss it with your tongs and plate it. Beautiful summer salad.